Hello everyone, how are you all? Let's begin. This is Unit 19 from Year 5 Maths. I'll be taking the questions one by one. Ready? Let's do it. Okay, so question 1 is just plus 0 in all the numbers. So 5 plus 0 is 5, 1 plus 0 is 1, 6 plus 0 is 6, and so on. 11 take away 7 for question 2. 11 take away 7 is 4, 7 take away 7 is 0, like that. Okay, then in the third question you have to multiply these numbers by 2. 4 times 2 is 8, 2 times 2 is 4, and so on. So please complete first 3 questions. Then in question 4 you need to write the expanded form. This is 1 10,000, so it's basically 16,089, which is 1 10,000 plus 6,000 plus 0, we don't mention that, 8 tens and 9 ones. Okay, let's look at question 5. Continue the pattern. I can see these numbers are going down by, it's take away 8 here, and 92 take away 8 is 84, so it's going down by 8. So 84 take away 8 is 76, 76 take away 8 should be 68, and 68 take away 8 is 60. All good. Then question 6, which is greatest. Let's see, in this I'm given 4 tenth, 4400, then 5 tenth. Okay, 4 tenth is nothing but 40 hundredths. Okay, and this is 44 hundredths. 5 tenths is 50 hundredths if you know equivalent fractions. So now it's time to compare. They want to pick us the greatest fraction. So 40 out of 100, 44 out of 100, or 50 out of 100. It's basically 50 out of 100, which was originally 5 tenths. Okay, because 50 is bigger than others, 40 and 44. Question 7. Pads cost $1.35. What will I pay for 10 pads? You just need to do 1.35 times 10. And times 10 is really easy. You just grab the point and put between 3 and 5. Just push it one place to the right. So that's 13.50 or $13.50. Okay, $13.50. You put 0 or not at the end of the decimal number, it doesn't matter, for that's a zero fraction. Question 8, write 56% as decimal. 56% is 56 out of 100, which is 0.56. Okay, moving on. Question 9, when 157 is divided by 9, the answer should be approximately what? Okay, you can do short division for this. 8 times 1 is 8. Then you're left with 9, which is 97. And then it's 8 times 9 is 72. 8 times. Instead of doing all this, you should rather just round it, because they're asking us for approximate answer. So 157 is close to 160, and 160 divided by 8 is 20. Okay, we are good. For approximation, you can always round and divide. Let's look at question 10. $60.60 is shared between 6 people. How much is each? So it's 60.60 divided by 6. You can divide it and check. Short division will also help. This one is on you. Then question 11, show 8 a.m. on this 24-hour digital phase. So AM is the same thing for 24-hour format as well. So it's a 0800. Okay, then question 12. I have 3 bags. The first has 1000 grams of gold in it. second is 1 kilograms feathers, and third is 2 of 500 gram masses. Which bag is heavier? See, 1000 grams is 1 kilogram, 1 kilogram is 1 kilogram, 2 500s means 500 grams plus 500 grams, which is again 1000 grams, which is 1 kilogram. So they are all same. So you can write all same. Okay, then moving on to question 13. Let me just rub this. 47 mm to centimeter. mm to cm, you just have to divide by 10. Okay, which is 4.7 cm. Okay, so the answer is 4.7. Then question 14, calculate the area of the rectangle. So you can count holes in it. So 1 2 3 4 5 6. Count 2 halves as 1 hole, so that will make 7, and this is 8. So I have 8 whole squares, so the area is 8 square units. Whatever the unit is, 8 square units. Like it can be centimeter squared, meter squared. They didn't mention any, so we can simply write square units. Let's move on to question 15. In this question, it's talking about volume. Volume is again the amount of space occupied by a solid. And volume of a centicube is 1 centimeter cube. Like there is this teeny tiny cube with centimeter length. How many centicubes were added to measuring cylinder of water if the water level rose by 25 ml? So we have a cylinder and then we are adding cubes in it, and we added 25 centicubes in it. One thing you should know, that 1 centimeter cube in capacity is 1 ml. So if I'm adding 25 centimeter cube, that's 25 ml. So I'm getting, my answer should be 25 of such cubes must have been added to the cylinder. So the answer is 25. 1 centimeter cube is 1 ml. Okay, moving on to the next question. 16. The morning temperature was 19 degrees. During the day the temperature rose. That means it increased by 14 degrees. So you have to just add 19 and 14. Okay, so that much. I'm leaving that on you. Question 17. Draw the top view of the solid. If you look at this pyramid from the top, you will look at a flat shape like this. Okay. Question 18. An acute angle is greater than 0 degrees and less than 90 degrees. Acute angle. Okay. Question 19. Draw a triangle with 3 lines of symmetry. That's an equilateral triangle with equal sides. So you can fold it in 3 ways. It will be symmetrical. Okay. Question 20. Name the missing point needed to create a symmetrical quadrilateral. If you want a symmetrical quadrilateral, if I just put a point here and I join it like this, so it will be a symmetrical shape. Okay, so the answer is A5. Get it? All right. Question 21. Who has the least amount to spend? So this is income. So Paul his ye's bar is smallest, so he has least amount to pay. So the answer is ye. In how many ways can I arrange 3 children? So there will be A, B, C can be arranged in 6 ways. This is how: A, and then you can do BC, then do A, CB, fix B and swap AC, B again, CA, then fix C and swap AB and BA. Okay, so there will be 6 ways you can arrange 3 children this way. Okay, I hope this explanation helped. In case you need more help, please let me know. Do cross check your answers and solve all the questions and cross check. Thank you so much. Thank you for your time. Yeah, bye.